welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to make a recipe using leftover Easter eggs. This is going to be the most delicious dairy-free chocolate slice. It's almost like a rocky road. And if you are lucky enough to get lots of Easter eggs, you can often end up with a couple that you just don't want to eat anymore. Believe it or not, you feel a bit sick and you don't want to just eat a plain Easter egg. So this recipe will make use of those leftover ones. And in here we are going to have some marshmallows. These are vegan marshmallows, some puffed quinoa, digestive biscuits, some delicious sour dried cherries. They just add like a slight bitterness to the whole thing, and then some cashews. And the Easter eggs that I'm using today, one is by Montezuma's. This is unbelievable. It is like no other egg. It's milk chocolate but totally dairy free. And then the other one is a pink Himalayan salt dark chocolate egg by Divine. And then lastly, this one is really affordable. It's just the original Easter egg by Moo Free. So again, totally dairy free. So what you will need is start off by melting the chocolate eggs. So I've just got some water boiling in the saucepan with a glass jar over the top, and then we can break up the egg and put it in there to melt. These eggs are about 100 grams each, so you want about 300 grams of chocolate altogether. This was the first time that I actually bought my own Easter egg, and I loved it. From now on, I feel like I'm just gonna start buying my own Easter eggs. It felt really liberating in a way. I don't know, have you guys ever bought your own Easter eggs? Comment down below if you have. The chocolate is coming along nicely, so while that's just simmering along on a really low heat, melting slowly, I'm going to crush these digestive biscuits straight into the mixing bowl. We just want these in small chunks. They break quite easily, which is good. And now that the chocolate is nearly melted, I'm going to add the cup of cacao butter. That goes into the bowl, and that will melt nicely away with everything else. It's just because we want it to be slightly thicker. We want more of the chocolate to cover everything. And now into our mixing bowl with the crushed digestive biscuits, we can add the marshmallows. These are vegan marshmallows and they are amazing. And this is what makes it into that like delicious rocky road kind of texture and flavour. I also have some puffed quinoa in there, so that can go in. The cherries, and then also some cashews. I'm just going to crush those. So these cashews can go into the bowl as well. Check out this chocolate. Oh, it looks so good. So that's the chocolate and the cacao butter nicely melted, and that's going to go straight in there as well. And now we're just going to combine all of that together. And then I have a square cake tin here, and I'm just going to pour that in and then smooth the top over. So I've smoothed over the top, it's looking really good. This is totally optional. I'm just going to add some desiccated coconut just to sprinkle over the top. This is mainly just to make it look really nice. But if you don't have any, it's not the end of the world. So that's just going to set in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then we can slice it. And there we have it, my leftover Easter egg rocky roads. They are absolutely delicious. They're soft and gooey from the marshmallows. We've got obviously the melted chocolate in there, which is so amazing. And then the crunchiness of the digestive biscuits and the cashews. I really hope you make these and love them. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.